I am going to be extremely brief. It's been a very good day. I'm sure we're all quite tired, but very grateful to everybody who has contributed. I'm often struck by how the conflict in Turkey is, in the West, a forgotten conflict. You see virtually nothing about the killings and the injustices and the political process in Turkey in the Western press. And in recent months we've heard about Turkey, but it's been in relation to Syria or Iraq, not in relation to the peace process. So it's very much a forgotten conflict, but at least today we've been reminded of some of the salient features of the conflict and of the opportunity which now exists to move on with the peace process. I'm very encouraged by Mr. Gore's optimism that he's just expressed, and let's hope that he's right and that things do develop in a very positive way. There were many false dawns, as you've intimated, in the Northern Irish peace process, but eventually we got there, and I think we got there not, and there's still a dispute between people in Northern Ireland as to why we got there and how we got there. I'm firmly of the view that we got there despite the violence. But there are those who think that we got there because of the violence. For me, a prerequisite to the peace process is the absence of violence. And let's hope that the ceasefires in Turkey on all sides continue and are upheld. Anyway, I'm not going to detain you. I'm just going to express thanks, first of all, to our 11 speakers, the people who've given papers, and to the chairs who did a great job during the day in keeping people more or less to their time. I must take a minute to thank our funders. Apart from the School of Law and the Human Rights Centre, there's also been funding, as you can see from the list, from the University's Institute for the Study of Conflict Transformation and Social Justice, some funding from the Postgraduate Student Centre at Queen's, some from the Kurdish Federation in the UK and the Kurdish Academic Forum, and some from the Lippmann Miliband Trust. So thank you to all of you for giving up your time today, for staying the course until 5:30 in the afternoon. I hope you've all learnt a lot, as I have today, and that you go away better informed and inspired to work more on this important conflict. Thank you all.